Funky D, welcome back. Today, in this segment, waiting we got to talk about now about the bomb blast in Lagos State. The continuation of that bomb blast when happened last week Sunday in Abuledo area of Lagos State. Now the matter we want to talk where they don't know say every day then they write they come, you know, people when they write for them they write they come, but we go there here to debunk them. Because then if we say we did like 1970s, then forget saying at 2020 where we did. The Northerners don't see say, I mean the jihadist people now, the Boko Haram people now, they don't see say, time don't set for them to enter the southwestern part of the country because they don't destroy their people rich. They don't destroy their own people rich. Don't tell now how many years now then they their side they do what that they do. They kill people, they kill innocent Christians people, they kill people whether they kill young people, they kill infants, they kill, you know, they do whatever they do in that northern part of the country. They don't see now the time to show the people of the south part of the country. Say the time don't set. Say this one not the time. So therefore, now him make them. That's last week Sunday. These people, they can't come with anger. Because they won't let on know see, we they around, we won't be Boko Haram. Of course, then they around. Borata won't be the leader of the army people in Nigeria. Don't tell us see they're full for Lagos. So, which Peking, which man, which woman go come and come talk say that thing when happened in Lagos State recently? Nah, pipeline explosion. No right thinking man in this world when go feel see that thing na gas explosion. Because if na gas explosion, that thing for they follow through the pipe when they lay for ground. Nothing like that. In fact, people when witness the thing talk say that place where they talk say then they get one gas thing when they there. Then say that place they intact. How this thing will happen in Lagos go take be gas explosion. This one a targeted attack from the jihadist people. Targeted a very powerful targeted attack from the terrorists. Now him, una won't come say Nigerian people. The tendency na pipeline. When they don't confess, people when witness, people when they there, don't confess. Kuro, same na more than 1,000 houses destroyed. More than 1,000 houses destroyed. Some people claim say more than 500 people died. But when they tell us say na only 17 people die. Which kind politics APC people they take Nigerian people head they play? Which kind politics when they take people's blood they play? Some of them say na 500. Some say na more than 1,000 people don't die. And it is true because this thing happened early in the morning when nobody they go work. 9 o'clock in the morning for that matter. Only church when people they go. And that church when people they go. Some of them, some people, majority of people when they go church, they never even wake up. To talk see, they don't even reach inside church. No, they never wake up. Early morning. Now this thing happen. Una they come, they tell people say, nah, 17 people die. Channel television, they champion and say nah, 17 people die. Some television stations in that country come out, they talk say nah, only 17 people die. How could 17 people die in that kind of serious bomb blast? How can 17 people die when they don't tell us, say, more than 1,000 houses destroyed? So, una when be the Yoruba people when the Lagos, make una listen very, very carefully, and I want make una share this video. If this video gets to you, share this video very, very well to people. Una when they for Lagos, when be people when they follow this Bola Tinubu, even if say then kill, even if say they not, because I know say Bola Tinubu I dey for presidency. Even if say then kill all the whole Yoruba people or everybody in that Lagos state, and the Bola Tinubu know wetin happen, Bola Tinubu no go come and come tell una wetin happen. So una got to carry that one for right from una chest. Una when they chant APC and the PDP and also one Nigeria, when be Yoruba people when they that Lagos or when they that Nigeria, una got to change una mind. Una got to think twice, because the reason why they talk this thing be say the northern terrorists, they just tell una say, they just want to let una know say then they around. The next thing now, the next target now when una go here, now that Balogun market, boom boom. So they just use that one, let una know say, because they don't feel say, man, we don't destroy our place finish. Now make we go destroy the southeast or the southwestern part of the country. And so then they, including the southeast, then they destroy. Then go come there. This same thing, they come there when they chant one Nigeria with these northerners. That's why I don't tell them before, say, the only thing when go solve the whole problem in that country, now that man, the Kano, the division of the country, now Biafra, that's all. If we now continue to dey follow Bola Tinubu full step, or they continue to dey follow Bola Tinubu himself, or continue to dey follow APC and PDP, una go continue to witness this kind of bomb blast. This is a very, very serious bomb blast. Even this man, once again, when be Gani Adams, is a very well-known man in Lagos State there. He don't tell us, say, now this kind of thing where they see in Syria, now this kind of thing where they see in Iraq. But from Kidi, they tell us, say, even the thing when happen in the bomb blast, when they blast in Syria, one time it not reach this thing when happen in Lagos. Because you can imagine if they drop this kind of bomb like three, 4 times in different places in Lagos there. Lagos is gone. Lagos is gone, ladies and gentlemen. Lagos is gone. And if una continue to dey follow, once again, to dey follow these northerners, una dey into serious trouble. Nigeria dey into serious trouble. No right thinking man once again go feel say that thing na pipe. There is nothing like pipeline explosion there. A lot of people don't witness this same pipeline explosion. All of them don't give witness, say, man, not be so. Bola Tinubu did that. I said, Bola Tinubu, if they kill everybody when they are Lagos, the man cannot even, he not go even tell you, because he didn't get his own personal ambition when already don't fail. If we will continue to the shout Shea Baba or APC or PDP once again, I say una dey into very big danger. So this one at the time now when the Yoruba people go start quick. Just begin to look for the way when I go take come out on ahead from these northern people. Because, like I said before, the leader of the military people, when be General Bikon Borata don't tell us see Boko Haram full in Lagos. So why somebody will come and tell us see that in a pipeline explosion? Which kind of pipeline explosion be that? Una they deny. Now so it will continue to dey happen if una continue to dey deny. The only option when remain for Yoruba people now to reject Bola Tinubu and his group. The only option when remain now for una, and I got to do it fast before it is too late. Because don't think when they want una see make una come out on head from this northerners. Then believe now say, now the business hub of the nation, now there, now him that they come destroy, and they don't start up. We don't still see the young men from the southeastern part of the country where they cry, say now they want to leave Nigeria, they want to join Biafra. 2019, when Peter Obi enter inside that Lagos market, when I don't call his name before, when I tell him, I say now the next target of these terrorist people, una when be Igbo people, una when come from the southeastern part of the country, when they do business there, una got to start relocating because there is danger ahead of una in that Lagos state one day. Peter Obi come inside that market that day, that same Lagos market, Balogun market. When we hear, when before Kidi, I hear people they chant PDP, PDP, APC, APC. I say what? I said these people, una not know what una they do. Make una turn on back from APC and PDP, join Biafra. Nothing we will never tell una in this platform. Now, all on our eye now don't open. We don't see una when they cry, see, now only na Igbo people then target in this bomb explosion in Abuledo, in Amuwo Odofin, local government, ladies and gentlemen. So now, it is high time when una, all of una, go take on, come queue with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is high time for all of una to come out from anywhere una hide, come join Biafra agitation. Because Nigeria is doomed. Una they cry. We don't tell una. We don't want una. Una they call APC. Una they call PDP. Look at now. They bomb now. Una don't they cry say na una the whole thing affects una market, una business, una this, una that. Time don't reach when una go stop to dey invest in Lagos State. Time don't reach when una go start to dey pack on a load to dey come off for that area, because I say there is a very big danger ahead in that Lagos State. The Northerners, they are coming. They don't tell us, say, they don't invite all their people, all the whole Fulani people, when they that Africa, come Nigeria there, and all of us don't witness them. All of us don't witness them. They not hide them. Another thing I want to point out, when the 6 state governors in Yoruba land, when they bring out this Amotekun, or when they introduce this Amotekun come, the Miyetti Allah people, they write them tendency, they won't join in the Amotekun. If they're not joining Amotekun, I be say, nah problem. We don't still do that video. Now be say, them no go agree. It never, how many months when they talk this now? It never even reach 1 month when they talk, say, they no go agree. When the southeastern governors come tell they say, they no go add them to that their security outfit. Now him, Miyetti Allah people come talk, say, if una no add us in inside una security outfit, I be say una go get problem with us. Then brag talker, then hit their hand on their chest, the yana. Today, what do they see? You know, it never even reach 1 month when these people make this their argument. Before you know what that happened, bomb blast last week Sunday. And they won't come tell me, see, na pipeline. Now, because this thing come from the... In fact, when you watch this incident, Know how when you go come and come conclude say nah something else rather than bomb. Now serious bomb. And that bomb not be only one bomb. Check it out. Where 1,000 buildings destroyed. Oh, cars destroyed. A lot of houses destroyed. A lot of houses sink down. According to what we hear, according to what we see. And again, people lost their lives. Now, then they come and they tell you say that only 17 people die. How can they come out to tell you say that 17 people die in that kind of bad bombardment with a bomb? Look, the only way now to solve the whole problem when they that country, and make una not forget this Abba Kyari of 18 is a very big problem to Nigerian people. People they talk about Buhari before, they talk about people before, but this man, this dangerous man, when Nigerian people refuse to stand up against this guy, when be the Abba Kyari, when they rule Nigeria today, una get big problem. As una continue to the chant APC, I mean the Yoruba people, even the southeastern people, when they there, when see they talk about APC and PDP, the more una continue to the chant this name, APC or PDP, the more una will continue to get problem. And the problem no go easy. Because now they don't feel so okay, they don't to do in their homeland. Make them go destroy the southeastern part of the country when be Lagos. So una when come from the southeastern part of the country, when they that Lagos, una they into big problem. The only way na for una to continue to stand up to the join Biafra. Only Biafra be the only solution in that country. Nothing else. I say if them kill everybody in that Lagos state, Bola Tinubu no go nyan. He no go tell you a word because that man get his own personal ambition. When I talked before, say that ambition don't already fail. Because now we don't see this guy, when Abba Kyari, don't come and talk say na him will continue from where Buhari stop. A man can never speak up when be Bola Tinubu. The man can never speak up when be Bola Tinubu. Something happened in Lagos State when ain't come from. Something happened in Lagos State when I say Banjo, when on the claims that I be on a VP come from. These two men, when Yoruba people get, they not speak out. They not say a word. Now laugh, then they laugh for when on they support them. Because they don't, inside their heart, they go say, we don't want on. We don't want to. Osibanjo, no speak up. Bola Tinubu, no speak up. Check out a place when 1,000 houses destroy. When make you tell me whether that thing na ordinary hand or whether that thing na pipeline explosion. So the government of the day, in fact, make una stop to the shout Buhari, Buhari. Buhari can never come to your aid. You, when be Igbo man, when they come out, when they talk, say, make them come help us. So if now one zinc, they won't give us or they are not coming to give you nothing. If you they wait for them, even that 2 billion naira, when they say them, Sanwo-Olu, they shout on top his voice, in the public, say, he don't give 200 billion. Like say 200 billion na people's life. I say money, they more than people's life. People value money more than people's life. Look, our people deserve to know the truth. Make we start to tell our people the truth, Nigerian government. Everybody, even you, when they for YouTube platform or wherever you dey, or anything where you they do, make you they try to tell your people the truth. Because even the Bible don't tell us that only the truth will set us free. Sanwo-Olu and Hamzat. Then they shout. That is his deputy. They talk on top their voice, say then give them 2 billion naira to start this and that, to go begin build IDP or put in place. Hey, you don't open account, you don't make like this. That is not what we want to know. We want to know what happened to our people. What happened to innocent Nigerian citizens? What happened to those children when they die in that bomb blast in Lagos? So, now him we want to know, not be money. 2 billion cannot resurrect them. Those people went on die. 2 billion naira when you give them, Sanwo-Olu cannot bring them back to life. So make we learn how to tell our people the truth, because our people deserve to know the truth 24 hours. Because now only that truth will set us free. Like I said before, you when they there, see they invite people when they bomb you. They don't see you there. Say now there you they live. Now made them come there for you. They don't see say churches, everything full there. Now Christians they see target in this matter. Christian and the people from the southeastern part of the country. Now him then target on this matter. You, when they shout, hey Buhari, come help us. Hey, federal government, FG, come help us. FG, they know they come. They know what happen. That's why they don't want to tell you the truth. They are not coming for you. So turn your back, join Biafra agitation. Because now time when you did that, they kill. Now some people don't lose their life, some people don't lose their family, some people don't lose their home. So if you feel say you want to continue to the shout APC or they call FG, make you continue. Then go answer you in the next word to come. I say now in the next word to come, then go come answer you. They are not coming. Even that 2 billion when the man they shout on top his voice, say it don't bring out. All of them know what happened. They don't want to tell you the truth. That 2 billion is nothing. You know what? For now to they use people's life to do on a dirty politics when they do in that country where they call Obodo Zoo. They don't say you they live there. That's why they come. They come to kill you because you don't want to hear word. This one now the next level when Jubri don't promise on her. A hardcore jihadist now they go carry come from Sudan, making the preside for honor. Then Abba Kyari and Mama Daura, they just did there, they do what they do. Abba Kyari they disrupt the nation so that he go take over. Already now he be the president now. So because if the man continue now, let's say the man now come 2023, come succeed 2023. You don't know how many years the man ruled that country. I say Abba Kyari don't turn Nigerian emperor. The man go deal with all of una. Jubri go deal with all of una. Mama Daura go deal with all of una. I say time don't reach for una to turn on our back on APC and PDP. Turn on our back on Nigeria completely, because that nation not be one country. If Nigeria na one country, since when this thing happened, Buhari, Abi Jubri or whoever did there, for don't come see una, say sorry my people for this thing will happen. But because say they know what thing happen now, after the thing don't happen, immediately the thing happen, they come they talk say all the whole houses when they there na illegal. Because they talk say Nigerian government don't make a move now to go begin collect that. They say that they won't collect that land from you. Once they cry, say make them come help you. They don't tell you say that land. They say they don't buy them long time in early 70s. Now they claim. They don't buy that place where you they leave your house, where they say make them come help you since early 70s. See na their land, na government land. The federal government, now they talk will not be Lagos state government to FG from Abuja. Now then they talk. And now them you they call, say me I can't help you. And I think I don't tell you that before. Una just they kill Una time to they call all these people to come help Una, because they are not coming to help you. They will never come to your aid. That is why that Biafra have to be. That is why that Biafra have to come to save lives. To save lives of innocent Nigerian people. Otherwise, all of Una, they in danger. Bola Tinubu no can tell you. They won't make people vote for them in 2023, ladies and gentlemen. They still won't make you come vote for them after they don't commit all these things against humanity. They still won't make una come vote for them in 2023. Now so the game will continue to be if we are not going to hear word. Everybody. I don't tell them, I say, the northerners, they don't see, they don't scatter their place. Now, they don't bounce. They don't, this one an example. The next thing now inside that Lagos Island, boom, where they call Balogu markets. So that all on our eye go clear with one Nigeria. So that don't want to record that one Nigeria, una go they call them well for them. Nigeria is in danger. Nigeria is in danger. I don't tell you that before. Whether na mutekun, whether na anything, whether na any security outfit one bring come out, it's not going to solve nothing. Because the people, when they bring out the same mutekun, they bring out all the security outfit. Now the same people, when they do all this bad thing in Nigeria. Tell me how they want to save you. People when they cry, say, oh, they not give us good educational system, they not give us nothing, they not give us this, they not give us that. Now still them, see they bring out the Amotekon. I see them, they bring out all the security outfit. How you want to take workout? How? One love, everybody. Because if I continue to speak here, I no go come on for here today. One love. See you next time. Bye.